I said, get up. Where's your Gucci? Get up.
Oh, Jesus.
Like they just let you loose and you move mad. Yeah, that's why you went on national television to pass 35-year-old virgin. Congratulations.
Hey, guys. How can Chinwe come for a hard fight with bazooka? Like, did you see the whole roasting? Hey, my goodness. I don't think Chinne saw this thing coming. Chinwe roasted Chinne and left no crumbs. Like, she ate and finished the plate where she used put the food. Because what is this? So this made me realize that I think the issue between Chinne and her niece, she may have a little hand in what is going on. Because she is full of emotions. She can't even coordinate or control her emotions. She lets her emotions consume her. She didn't even allow Chinwe to talk. Like, I know you have a lot of things to say about somebody, especially maybe she wanted to use the whole thing on the national TV to, get back to Chinwe and all of that. But, girl, hey, I watched this one. I said, yesterday's own self, na Christmas we do. Hey, my people, you not give me mouth to talk. Chinwe came with AK-47 bazooka. She even came with armored car to bombard Chinne tonight. This one shook me. It shocked me. Even me self, I shock. Hey, so I don't think there is anything reconciliation between Chinne and Chinwe. And as for ONYEKA and Victoria says she's being indifferent, and then maybe later on she may think about having a conversation with ONYEKA. ONYEKA was like, we said to ourselves that we are not going to be friends, so let's keep it that way. I don't even want to talk about that. Then coming to SOOJ and Topher, I don't know how Jesse or whatever it is going to cause issue between them. But SOOJ should cut me some slack and have a conversation with his friend. I don't know what's with all this drama thing. I'm not expecting guys to be having this type of issues women are having. So they need to just sit down and reconcile whatever thing it is, because he already claimed now that he sent Jesse to Nelly, and Nelly had to confirm that she actually bought it. So they had to send it to her. So I don't even know why he's making it too much big deal to the point that he said that his family warned him about Topher. That's so bad to say on national TV. That's why I say sometimes anger will make you make the best speech you regret. So it's better you watch the words that you say and don't let your emotions play on you, so that you don't make some silly mistakes while you're talking. Do you understand? And of course, you know that the production is always waiting for the drama and they will air it. That's the main point. So, coming to Mbadiwe, Ebuka asked Mbadiwe them twin, one of the, which is Ozee, how did he see the situation with ONYEKA and Victoria? He was like, he's not involved in this whole situation. Although the housemates confirmed that he was enjoying the whole triangle thing, he shouldn't lie about it, including the victims. Will I call them victims now? ONYEKA and Victoria. They said he was comfortable with it. So what Ozee was like, he met them personally and told them that they should sort this thing out. Do you understand? Because Ebuka was like, don't you think you play a role in settling this issue? He said he doesn't want to make a speech that people will be like, oh, he's siding this person or he's siding this person. So he told them personally to have a conversation. So that's what he's going to do, and he's not going beyond that. So if they don't want to have the conversation, it's fine. But they shouldn't sit down to make him feel like he's the one that, started the whole thing. Do you understand? But I feel like Ozee would do this very well by settling for them. That doesn't mean that they may end up being friends. No. It's not about friendship, it's about maybe trying to mediate the situation, since it was, of course, there's no way the situation will rise that you're not involved. So make sure that you mediate it, and then they can go their ways. But Onyeka needs to work on what she says and how she says it. Because she's now saying, I don't like sneaky move. Really? Did you even watch yourself? Did you sit down to look at the videos of what you did? You may call that a game, but did you watch yourself? That girl never insulted you one day. I'm not siding Victoria, but I'm just trying not to be biased, because that's exactly what I saw during the whole show. Do you understand? So guys, it was indeed a loud night, but the people that made my night, that served me dinner, was Chinwe and Chinne. He did not give Ebuka mouth to talk, to the point that Ebuka had to start closing his face because of shame. He couldn't even close. You're like, oh boy. Enjoy your views, my dear. See you guys in my next video.